Boy Keys, boy Swift De Niro. Yeah, listen. I know for matter of disaster, I be pitching these racks. I'm constantly on the block. I got a Glock 9 shots. You better duck, bullets hot. Hollow tip like it's fraud. Man, I'm coming through, I'm airing, man, I'm swarming your jaw. And I don't care, pop, lock, stock, drop. Nigga, get it, better roll it, better stop it, pulling triggers. Man, table full of crack, my guns in the back. I don't really care, man, know how to act. Always in the trap. From posting, y'all niggas talking, y'all joking, penetrating, loking, and she logo. I got her super soaked. I don't really care about her hoe. I said she freaking dope. Buffalo be swaggin' pitching. Man, we out here gifted getting. Man, I ain't expecting no gifts are great. I don't really care my chance late, but I don't really know my chosen fate. I don't really care my clean slate. Lord, please take my soul. I don't really care, man. Life is old. Swear to God, my maintain the goal. I don't really know my watching pros. I'm getting it. I'm moving shit. I don't care, man. I be chopping bricks. I'm water whipping. I'm really quick, man. Let it be. I'll let it slide. I won't let it ride. Like 3 months later, it's homicide. Now 3 months later, it's homicide. Lil crack, better rip the fucking track. Lil crack, you better rip the fucking track. Yeah.
You can tell some niggas they started snitching. Caught me in the trap. Some niggas they started getting. Guns just started spitting. Bodies just started getting.
I'm missing.
Urgent man start snitching. I'm hitting them when I pitch it. You catch me on the strip. Yeah, I'm trying to sell a
Block low. Block and low.
Dump the clip. Urgent man try to snitch. Put him in the body bag. I got a lot of cash. Man, y'all stay the back. My whole team moving back. Only thing on my mind is how a little nigga react.
Alright, bro.